Hi friends, hope all of you are doing fine. I see lot of ideas are mushrooming in all kind of social medias like LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, everywhere. Some to start new business and some to solve the challenges in the existing business. So, at this juncture, I would like to contribute my learnings which could help you in shaping your ideas into your viable businesses. Of course, there are lots of tools and techniques available, but one of the technique which is highly trending to sustain in this fast pace of competitive world is design thinking. Tim Brown, CEO of IDEO, has coined this word design thinking for the first time. He defined it as a human centered approach to innovation that draws from the designer's toolkit to integrate the needs of people, the possibility of technology, and the requirement for business success. Ideally, the design thinking is built on basic principles like human centered, collaborative teamwork, learning by doing, embrace experimentation, understand patterns, relationships, and systems, visualize and show. However, for any of the idea to be successful, it should have three essential characteristics. One, desirability, where the user will contribute his needs. This is highly required for any business to understand whether the solution that we are going to provide is addressing the pain point of the customer. Are we providing really what customer needs? Then comes feasibility. Are we building the solution on strengths that are currently available? Could be operational strengths or technology available. Then comes viability. Is the solution a sustainable one? Because in this fast pace of competitive world, the solution that we provide should be highly sustainable and should think through long terms, right? So when these three uh, domains overlap with each other, there occurs one sweet spot. All the three are balanced, and that sweet spot is the place where innovation can evolve. If any of this is not balanced, at the implementation of the idea could be highly riskier and costlier. Having learned about three essential characteristics, let's see what the design thinking is really about. Design thinking is just not a linear process. It's not like doing one after the other. In the whole journey, we go through across inspiration, ideation, and implementation. I should say this as a cycle. So in the inspiration phase, we will come across exploration for the opportunity and empathizing. We build the empathy with the communities to understand what really the pain points of the customers are. So having these two phases hand in hand together, it's like a divergent. We will create the choices, and we do have the convergent thinking where we'll make the choices. By the end of exploration and empathize, we will really understand what are the deep needs of the user. Then comes experimentation phase, where it is a kind of iterative process again, where we will build the prototype, test it, and assure whether we are in line with the user needs. Then comes evolving. The whole process, as we said, it's an iterative process. We will explore, we will review all our activities and strategies for the continuous improvement process and for the quick wins. So these three modules are the basic modules over which the entire process is built. This is in a quick glance, but for each and every phase of this modules, there are a lot of tools available which on easier, which on documenting all these tools, we can form a full-fledged business model. And I recommend, having said all these things, I recommend one to go through this book, Change by Design, written by Tim Brown, which could act as a guideline. And I emphasize, just reading this book or attending any lectures doesn't serve the purpose of understanding the design thinking. You have to start reading this book by after identifying the opportunity, understanding how you can implement this creative process of problem solving for your own problems. Thank you very much. I will keep posting some of uh, other concepts which can help to evolve your business idea into a viable competitor in this market.